nowadays people are coming more and more into the web talk, and they aren't seeing what is web talk. They aren't directly going to the people who invited him, a person who is invited him. They are going jumping into the this things news feed something, go like something, ask them like LCS, like, comment, and share. So what would you say, like to say to those people?
All I can say to those people is like energy attracts like energy, and I'm not like that energy. So depending on what you want to attract inside WebTalk, if you want a bunch of comments, LCS or whatever it is on your feed, and if you want no real engagement, if you want no real relationships, if you want little tiny bits of money, and if you want to keep doing that for the next 5 years to be able to make a couple of pennies, go ahead and do that. But if you want to actually make a real impact or make some real money on WebTalk, that's definitely not the way. So that's a shortcut. Most of the time, what happens with this LCS, it comes from somebody with a big line. So I want to tell you the intent behind the actual thing. So when somebody starts a trend like this, it's because they've got a big line underneath them. What they're doing is getting all the little pawns to work hard for the one king. So it's to pass the money up the chain. So it's kind of creating what I would define as a scam, but inside of a legitimate platform. So I do not suggest do that. If you are on WebTalk and you want to actually build a real income, put real posts. RJ says it in read one of RJ's posts and you wouldn't do it. That's all you have to do. Read one of my posts and you wouldn't do it anymore. So RJ is always saying, I'm always saying, who gets the most likes in Instagram? Okay, who gets the most likes in a YouTube video? Is it the ones that are saying like, comment, share, or is it the ones putting out actual content? Okay, because there's no difference between WebTalk and any other platform when it comes to the social media aspect. Okay, there's different features and stuff, but other than that, there's no difference, not one. You're going to grow the same way as you would on any other platform. If you're after lots of comments, lots of shares, lots of likes, post something people actually like, post something people have got something to say about, or post something people want to share to somebody else. That is how you're going to get it. By saying like, comment, share, all you're going to attract is a million people that do the same thing. And when they're doing this at such a rapid pace, they are not generating very much ad revenue at all. I could spend all day on WebTalk looking at one post, okay, and generate the same money as what I would if I went to every single person's post in WebTalk and liked every single one, okay? So what it goes off is what I generate. So if I can make $1, it's nowhere near $1. It's like, oh yeah, it'd probably be $1. But so if I make $1 a day from looking at WebTalk, now the time and the ad impressions has got to be your specific post. So it's got to be your post has to be the one that drawn me to it. Now, if I'm liking everybody's post in WebTalk, that $1 now. So if I like a million people, okay, I could never do that. No, let's say 100. If I like 100 people, I generated $1 in revenue. That 100 people get 1 cent. That's it. So 100 people get 1 cent. But if I was to stop on one person and I read a post or watch a video and I generated $1 from that one post, that one person gets $1. So that's the difference. So what they're doing is they're spreading little tiny cents throughout WebTalk, and it's never going to work. The only person that benefits is the person above you that is not doing that, okay? And if they are doing that, they're only doing that to lead by example, but really that's not how they're making money. They're making money from the huge trend line. So definitely don't fall for it. Like, unless you want to. Like, I don't judge you if you do it, but I will not follow you. I will not like your post. I will not comment on your post. I will not share your post. So if you want someone that actually generates money inside WebTalk to follow you and make you money, don't do that. But if you just want a heap of people that don't generate revenue to follow you and make you a couple pennies, do that. Like energy, all I can say is like energy attracts like energy. Put out content that is good, you're going to attract good quality. If you put out content that is like, comment, share, you're going to attract the same quality. So like energy, like energy. So I'm not judging anyone that does that. If that's what you want to do for the next 10 years to earn $1 a week or something, feel free, go do it. But you're not going to attract the ones that are making $100, $200, $300. You're not going to attract them. Yeah.